Here are 10 profitable small business ideas you can start in Ethiopia today. 1. Poultry farming. As Ethiopia's demand for protein increases, poultry farming is booming. Broilers grow fast and eggs are always in demand. Low investment, fast returns. 2. Urban gardening. With just a small space or containers, grow tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers. Sell to local markets and restaurants. Organic demand is rising fast. 3. Coffee business. Ethiopia is the birthplace of coffee. Roast beans, open a café, or export coffee. There's global love for Ethiopian flavor. For ride-hailing, use platforms like Ride, Fears, or Zayride. Own or rent a car or manage drivers. Transportation demand is growing in cities. 5. Mobile money agent with Telebir and Helicash expanding. Become a mobile agent and earn daily commissions serving your community. 6. Printing and stationery. Near schools or offices, open a small print shop. Students need photocopies, typing, and CV printing constantly. 7. YouTube and content creation. Talk, teach, or entertain online. Start a YouTube channel. Earn through ads, sponsors, and merch. 8. Drop shipping. Sell fashion, electronics, or cosmetics through Telegram or Facebook. No inventory needed, just connect buyers to suppliers. 9. Construction transport. Use a bajaj or small truck to transport sand and cement. With buildings and roads rising, the demand is steady. 10. Tutoring. If you're good in math, English, or science, tutor students online or in person. Parents pay well for quality lessons. No matter your budget, there's a way to start. Start small, stay consistent, and grow step by step. Which idea will you try first? Like, share, and subscribe for more Ethiopian business ideas.